Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gacha channel. In today's video I will show you how to speed up navigation in your old or laggy Android phone by decreasing animation scale from developer settings. Let's check how slow navigation is now. Now let's change animation scale. Go to System Settings, scroll down to About, search for build number and click few times. Now enter your PIN. You are developer now. Go back. In most phones you will see developer option now, but in this the developer option is hidden in System, Advanced, Developer Options. Scroll down and search for animation. You will see three settings: Window, Transition, Animator. Change each to 0.5x. Now go back, close everything, and let's check the navigation now. It's much faster. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.